Hi everybody, my name is Darren. This is just a quick video on inserting video with Gmail or Outlook. For this example, I am going to use Gmail, but it can be done really either way, in the exact same way. So when you want to start, you need to download the Chrome extension and sign up for your account. But after you do, very easy. You simply go to Compose, and then you see two options. Send one-to-one video is going to record a new video directly. So I would hit start recording, hello everybody. Or I could go send video campaign. So I would want to find a video that I'm comfortable working with or I'd like to work with. You'll see here we have different videos that we've used, some other demonstrations and so forth. But let's just say I want to use this one. Perhaps I want to edit the video. If I wanted to do things like shave some time off the ends or cut some pieces, maybe I want to add some text, my name. Everything's on a drag and drop system. Or maybe I felt like adding an emoji, add some character to the video. And how long I want it to exist for. I hit continue. We'll call it test. So I'll now go to insert video. You'll see here it is. Now the video is there. And as you can see, there's my video. I can see that somebody has opened and watched it and who has. Now this media is being processed. You'll only ever see this on the first time the video is watched. So I always recommend perhaps just watch the video yourself sometimes before sending it. But again, you'll see it was very quick. And that's my video. Very easy to send video via Hippo Video. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and please email me if you have any questions. Bye.